Hello friends and followers, my name is SMOE. I'm a German graffiti artist and today I want to take you to a commission. Because this is a playground and the playground should look a little bit more like a regular playground and not like a ghetto playground. And the theme that I want to paint here is a dinosaurs and superhero comic theme, and I'm really happy about this commission because this is so much fun. I love dinosaurs so much. Dinosaurs! Even if I got a lot of respect for illegal graffiti activities, but for me as a father of 3 kids, it is a big honor to turn this neglected playground into a beautiful place of next generation's childhood memories. We make a classic square grid and we numbered all these single squares and they are numbered on the design as well. And this is totally enough to get an orientation where to put all the dinosaurs and superheroes and the buildings and the trees. And yeah, it's not so much detail like the cow that I did in one of the previous videos. A very detailed commission. And this commission is a little bit more easy to paint. As you can see, a lot of the first lines are already done and I try to sketch the whole wall first so that when my friend Kier arrives that he can fill in a lot of spaces, because this is the most of the work and I want to make the detail work. Yeah, and now I'm super satisfied. And yeah, let's continue. And to make it a little bit more interesting for you, I want to try to paint this little T-Rex over there in, let's say, 20 minutes. I think this is pretty unrealistic. Let's make it in 20 minutes. I will start the countdown now. Now let's try to bring some action into this crazy commission. Stell den Timer auf 20 Minuten.
Okay, der Timer wurde auf 20 Minuten gestellt.
Now look at the details. So smooth. A real friendly T-Rex. Oh yeah. But I'm not happy with this leg and with this part here. I think I would change this a little bit. And yeah. I know that nobody will see it, but as long as I see it, it is enough reason to change. Funny. I'm happy. That's it for today. Day 3 is over and we see us tomorrow. So cool. So cool. I definitely will paint some more dinosaurs in the next time, and this is what I really love about commissions, because if you paint commissions, you most times have to paint stuff that you would not paint if you would decide it on your own. And every commission, no matter how stupid the theme is that you have to paint, or the topic in general, what you have to paint, you always take something out of the commission and use the elements in your free art as well. And I always store the empty cans upside down, because on this way I always see, okay, these cans are already empty and I can throw them out of my trunk. 14 empty cans, and I have still some empty cans over there. This is a lot of trash. And we see us tomorrow. Okay, friends and followers, I'm super happy with the new color combination. I don't want to make these shields in blue. I want to make them in this brownish and combine this with some yellow, because it fits much better to the color of the Stegosaurus. Now it starts raining. Wonderful. Thanks a lot. Material into my car, especially the paper. It will get wet.
And electrical devices.
This is how I look like when I hurry, when I'm tired. I hurry like a turtle.
Okay. Let's continue.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry, turtle man. Yo, friends and followers, I am done finally, and I know you want to see the final result. This is it. Look over there. One of you, of my friends and followers, asked me on Instagram why I didn't put my name in the stripes of the Stegosaurus, and now I did it. SMOE. SMOE. Oh man, I like the Stegosaurus so much. Okay, over there, there's the logo of the customer. Okay, my friends and followers, and just for the contrast, I want to show you how it was looking before and now in comparison. Okay, friends and followers, that's it for today. I hope that you were a little bit entertained. Please don't forget to like the subscribe button. And a big thanks to Montana Cans, the best spray paint on this planet. Please check out the description area for very helpful links. Their channel is linked over there. Spread some love, and I hope to see you in the next project.